Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the video freeze tutorial on CapCut. So if you want to freeze a scene in your video, you can actually use this feature on CapCut. So for example, I want to freeze like in a scene, okay, in this scene on my video. So you can just click on the video and then swipe until you find freeze. Okay, this one's right here. Just click on the freeze and then it will become a freeze like this, and you can also adjust how long the freeze will take. So for example, I want to just go with 1.5 seconds, so it will look like this. So the scene will be freeze and then it will go again. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you.